Hey guys, it is Jennifer DeVivo with Lotus Door Homes, and I am standing at our newest gorgeous listing. I can't wait to show you inside. 2042 Misty Glen Drive, located in the burgeoning, beautiful community of APOPKA, Florida. Guys, this location is the bomb. First of all, you come into a nice gated community. You've got amenities like playgrounds, walking trails, estate style homes, tree-lined streets. This particular home is situated on a corner lot. There's no one in front of me. Definitely watch the video. We're gonna go inside and you're gonna see what it looks like, but there's just a gorgeous green space in front of me. Lots of privacy in this neighborhood for this community. And the location, guys, you're only 8 minutes from the 429. That'll jet set you. You can be downtown in 30 minutes. You can be to the beach in about an hour. And we're close to one of my favorite parks, Wekiva Springs, where you can go canoeing, kayaking, and there's lots of trails and bike trails for those of you guys who want to be in this area. So inside we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, spread expansively out over 2,446 square feet. So we've got a big kitchen, we've got a big living room, a big master bedroom, and just lots of space, and you're gonna love the inside of this house. So come with me and see this gorgeous new listing. We can't wait to show you. Book your listing with me. Give me a call at 407-921-1310. Let's go inside.